in the southern states as Karnataka is turning out to be the new epicenter with a massive caseload. The government had to impose stringent curbs to cut down the rising infections. Here's a report.
Karnataka fast turning into a COVID epicenter. Karnataka recorded 48,781 new coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. Average cases over the last 3-4 days have been hovering around 45 to 48,000 mark. Capital Bangalore accounted for nearly 21,376 infections. This has forced Karnataka government to go for a stricter lockdown with stringent measures from 10th May to 24th May.
Government has decided to impose stringent measures to check the spread of the disease and death. Restriction will be imposed.
Soon after the announcement, cops started to seize vehicles which were commuting without valid reason.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬೈ ವಾಕೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. There is no movement by vehicle. Only neighborhood shopsಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೈ ವಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು.
So why exactly is Bengaluru in the eye of the storm? What is leading to this surge? Karnataka Minister Arvind Limbavali, who manages COVID-19 call center and handles timely treatment of COVID patients, reveals that 10 to 15 patients in home isolation do not respond and they are spreading the virus.
I got the feedback about 13 to 15% people are not responding, which is very serious. A positive case not responding, maybe they are spreading this disease.
Principal opposition party Congress is in no mood to listen to government's excuses. They claim that the state is short on supplies of medicines, oxygens and beds.
Because in one hospital 28 people died out of lack of oxygen, and yesterday nearly 40 people across the state have died because there is no proper supply of oxygen. Where is the health minister? Why is he absconding from the scene? We are not seeing him anywhere. He is not taking any review.
To streamline government's response, CM Yediyurappa has delegated responsibilities to his cabinet colleagues and is hoping that Karnataka witnesses a decline within a fortnight like Maharashtra.
The government is in a catch-22 situation with rising infections and collapsing economy. The chief minister wants to balance both very carefully, but the opposition says it's the time that is running out right now. It's the rising cases that has to be controlled now, or it will be never, warn the health experts.